Once we've identified an organizational vision and mission, decided which generic strategy type we're going to pursue, and done some analysis of the external environment and our organizational capabilities, we're ready to start designing our organization strategy. The next steps in the design process include setting objectives, creating a strategic plan, implementing that plan, and monitoring and evaluating its success. Let's take a brief look at each of these steps. Setting objectives. Successful strategic management requires a commitment on the part of managers to define a set of objectives. Successful managers have a goal orientation, which means they set and achieve objectives. Objectives. After developing our vision and mission and completing a situation analysis, the next step is to set objectives that flow from the mission to address strategic issues and problems identified through situation analysis. Objectives state what's to be accomplished in a specific, singular, and measurable term with a targeted date. Here's a model adapted from Max Weber to help you write effective objectives. 2 plus an action verb plus a singular, specific, measurable result plus a targeted date. Create a strategy. Once we've identified our set of objectives, the next step is to weave them into a cohesive organizational plan. This is the point at which we determine what we're going to do to achieve the objectives that we've set. The last items in the strategic planning process are implementing and then monitoring and evaluating the plan's success. The goal here is to ensure that the mission and objectives of the organization are achieved. Successful implementation of strategies requires effective and efficient support systems throughout the organization. As strategies are implemented, they must also be monitored and evaluated. Controlling is the process of establishing and implementing mechanisms to ensure that objectives are achieved. An important part of controlling is measuring progress towards the achievement of the objective and taking corrective action when needed. Quality management is one example of where the controlling process allows the company to adjust its internal processes to reach a predetermined level of quality control. So as part of strategy execution, we always need to watch quality through the controlling process.